Welcome back to Bonner's Crafts. Today's project is these pretty leaf earrings. Super easy and perfect for beginners. For this sample, I'm using a superfine yarn and a 1.5mm hook. Let's get started. Tie a simple knot, chain 8, in the first chain work 1 slip stitch, in the ring work 15 single crochets, one slip stitch, chain 3. In the next stitch, work 1 double crochet, around the post of the previous double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. And repeat this 5 times. Then yarn over, pull through all the loops at once. Chain 1. This is also called an unfinished half double crochet. In the next stitch, work 1 treble crochet. Around the post of the previous treble crochet, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. And repeat this 7 times. Then yarn over and pull through all the loops at once. Chain 1. In the next stitch, work 1 treble crochet again. Around the post of the previous treble crochet, work 7 unfinished half double crochets. Yarn over, pull through all the loops at once. Chain 1. In the next stitch, work 1 double treble crochet. Around the post of the previous double treble crochet, work 9 unfinished half double crochets. Yarn over and pull through all the loops at once. Chain 1. In the next stitch, work 1 double treble crochet again. Around the post of the previous double treble crochet, work 9 unfinished half double crochets. Yarn over and pull through all the loops at once, chain 1. For now we have 5 puffs. Now for the other half of the leaf, chain 3. In the same stitch, 1 double treble crochet. Work 9 unfinished half double crochets. Yarn over and pull through all the loops at once. Chain 1. In the next stitch, work 1 double treble crochet again. Work 9 unfinished half double crochets. Don't forget to like this video if you're enjoying this tutorial so far. In the next stitch, work 1 treble crochet. Work 7 unfinished half double crochets. Yarn over and pull through all the loops at once, chain 1. In the next stitch, work 1 treble crochet. In the next stitch, work 1 double crochet. Work 5 unfinished half double crochets. Yarn over, pull through all the loops at once, and chain 1. Now we have 10 puffs in total for our leaf. Chain 3. In the next stitch, work 1 single crochet. In each of the next 2 stitches, work 1 slip stitch. Chain 5. In this space, work 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Between these 2 puffs, work 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Again, 1 single crochet, and repeat this until you reach the halfway point of the work. Now we are at the halfway point of the work. Chain 3. In this space, work 1 single crochet. Chain 3. 1 single crochet, and repeat this until the end. It's time to add the final border for our leaf. So chain 5, in this stitch work 1 slip stitch, around this strand work 7 single crochets, in this space work 2 single crochet plus 3 chains plus 2 single crochets. Again 2 single crochets, 3 chains and 2 single crochets here. That's called a picket, and repeat this until you reach the halfway point of the work. For the middle of the work, in this space work 3 single crochets plus 3 chains plus 3 single crochets. And again for the other half, in each space work 2 single crochets, 3 chains and 2 single crochets. Around this strand work 7 single crochets. Now insert the hook from back to front and work 1 slip stitch. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and hit subscribe. Have a great day.